Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and if you have a boo thing in your life, chances are you're gearing up for quite the romantic evening. Unless you're not into this holiday and are planning on treating it like any other day, because that's okay, too. To be even more specific, the same review states that aphrodisiacs can play any of the three main roles, or multiple roles at once, increasing libido, enhancing pleasure, and/or improving potency. 1. Oysters. Another connection between oysters and your bedroom is that zinc has been found to improve levels of dopamine in the body. Dopamine is the neurotransmitter that is connected to your senses of pleasure, and studies have found that there is a connection between dopamine and sex by way of improving erectile dysfunction. 2. Avocados. This fruit contains healthy unsaturated fats, and including healthy fats in the diet is important for hormone health. Avocados also contain B vitamin folate, which makes histamine, a compound that is released during orgasms or when one gets aroused. 3. Pistachio nuts. The men who participated had all reported having erectile dysfunction for at least 12 months. They each ate 100 grams of pistachios every day for 3 weeks, and at the end of the study, their erectile function improved. Not only that, but LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, was lowered, and HDL cholesterol, the good kind, increased. 4. Maca. Maca is technically a cruciferous vegetable. Think of the same family as kale or broccoli, but its most common edible form is a powder that people sprinkle into dishes or smoothies. To some, this powder is known as the Viagra of superfoods, and research shows that this may be true. 5. Red ginseng. Research has found that this plant has a variety of possible health benefits, ranging from cardiovascular protection, enhanced immunity, antioxidant properties, and yes, even the ability to boost libido. 6. Berries. Berries are another food you may want to consider adding to your aphrodisiac plate, especially blackberries. They are healthy overall and may also help men keep erections because foods rich in flavonoids. Blackberries are particularly full of them, have been linked to a lower risk of erectile dysfunction.